In this video, I'll show you how to rename files on your iPhone. Here I have this picture, which I hope is not too bad. It's just a picture of me. I took this picture as a test to show you how you can rename files, and I have a few of them actually. You can rename the files, the file names, and also you can rename the files extensions. For photos, renaming the file is a little bit complicated. I don't know why it's like this, but you can add a name, you can add keywords to the photos. So here, for example, I have image 2888, and I want to be able to find this. Maybe something I could add a name, a custom name. There is information here that can be changed, like the location data and the caption. I could add a custom caption. I could even add keywords in the caption of that image. You can also rename files with the file browser, with the Files app. And here you can do that on the iCloud drive or even Google Drive, or you can do this on the files on your iPhone. When you go into On My iPhone section, you might not be able to find all the pictures, all the images that you have there, especially from the camera roll. Those can be renamed from the Photos app. But here, the files that are generic files, they can't be renamed. These are Canva files. And you see, I can rename, I can change the file name, and I can change the file extension also from GPG to GPEG. It's actually the same type of file, just different types of extensions, but on some websites, when you upload a file to a form, it might ask for a JPEG file without the E, and if you have them with the E, then this is a way to rename the file so you can upload it. You can rename these files however you like. Usually it's not good to have a very long file name. It's better to keep it within a limit, even if your iPhone will allow you to rename the file to have a long file name. Some forums, some websites, when you upload this, they will trim the name of the file, or even there might be a problem, errors. So you can use Photos, the Photos app, the Gallery app, or the Files app to rename photos. But when you use the Files app, you could actually rename any kind of file from any folder, as long as it's accessible that you can get to the file to rename it. I tap the option rename, and then I can change this file name to any extension. But if I want to convert a PDF to a JPEG, it will not work. Here I'm trying to convert a JPEG file to a PNG file, and it kind of works. The Reader app is smart enough to tell what the file it is. But if I'm gonna rename this to a PDF file, it's not really a PDF file. Inside the file, the contents are still JPEG, so this will not work. When I open this file, the app is gonna be confused because it's looking for a PDF file, but it's not really a PDF anymore. It was never a PDF. It's a JPEG file with a .png.pdf extension. Also, the extension is only the last three or last four letters after the last dot. If you have a dot in the middle of the file, it doesn't change the extension. Only what's after the last dot is the extension. There could be files without the extension, or there could be files with a longer extension. You could have any kind of extension of the file. As long as the app trying to open it, it's recognizing it, then you can use this. You can use these files. I hope this helps you renaming files, the file names and extensions on your iPhone. It's a bit more difficult than on Android. Thanks for watching.